Okay, here is our Eggscellent Tablescape. To start out, here's our napkins. They're pink with, I did a little plaid that had the multicolors, just like Easter eggs. And I used this dish because it reminded me of kind of an Easter egg. And it has the gold stars in it. And of course, I had to have my turquoise. And some gold, because I'm loving gold this season. And I have my gold silverware and my robin's egg or turquoise cup, my little water glass, a crown, but I put a bird's nest in it because I did kind of a bird egg theme. Then I have this egg here, and it has some bling on it because why not? It's Easter. And then I have the garland with the nests and the eggs and then I have this little cloche. I put Easter eggs in it. It's got a bird on it. And I got my little bluebird, my two little bluebirds. And I have our cross that says, "He is not here. He is risen." Matthew 28:6. And that is the true meaning of Easter. And I love it. I always incorporate this in my decor, whether it be on my mantle or on my entryway table, because I believe in celebrating the true meaning of Easter. And also, and not just the Easter bunny.